This tiny piece of metal is worth more than most people's yearly salary. $10 million. That's what this engine actually costs. And it's built to fail on purpose. Every single gram of this part is weighed to the microgram. These grooves aren't decoration, they're the difference between winning and blowing up. It starts as molten metal heated hotter than lava. No human hands touch this part until it's perfect. This is what 7 races of pure hell does to metal. Exhaust gases hit over 1800 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than lava rock. The engine shakes itself apart thousands of times a minute. One engineer's job is to catch failure before it happens. After every single race, this entire engine comes apart piece by piece. Miss this torque spec by 1 degree, and the engine's done. Every part goes back in exactly where it came from, no shortcuts. What took days to build gets bolted back together in hours. This is the moment $10 million comes to life. Spinning at over 100,000 RPM faster than you can blink. 0 to 200 miles an hour in under 5 seconds. This is the same part from the start, now it's scrap. And just like that, it's gone until the next race. Every scratch on this surface was machined on purpose. This is where $10 million engines are born. They torture test it before it ever sees a racetrack. 1/1000th of an inch is the margin for error. This engine bay holds more tech than most spacecraft. American racetracks push these engines just as hard. This part alone costs more than a brand new Tesla. Every bolt is tightened by hand and double-checked. Before it ever races, the whole team has to agree it's ready. This is what happens when metal meets 1800 degree heat. Before it ever touches a track, it's tested to its breaking point. Every second of data tells them if it'll survive the race. This flame means the engine is alive and it's furious. 20 cars, 20 engines, all built to self-destruct by design. In the pit lane, seconds decide everything. One driver, $10 million beneath his fingertips. Even after the race ends, this part is still burning hot. Watch years of engineering get rebuilt in minutes. When this needle hits red, it's already too late. This is the finished product built to die in 7 races. This is where the $10 million story begins. You won't believe what this number actually is. This is the sound of $10 million igniting. This is the moment months of work finally pays off. Every tool has its place because mistakes aren't an option. This spark happens hundreds of times every second. This is what 200 miles an hour actually looks like. Even the cover is worth more than your car. This is what $10 million was built for. The race is over, but the engine's job isn't. This part will never race again, but it did its job. Until the next race, the workshop goes quiet. Next time, we open a whole new $10 million mystery.